I'm here with my 2013 F550. Should be the same from 250s, 350s, 450s, and 550s. I'm going to install this Draw-Tite front-mounted 2-inch square hitch. I want it just so I can haul a little bit more, maybe move around this trailer if I need to, you know, get it in tight spots. I don't know, maybe it'll come in handy. So stay tuned and I'll show you the install. It's kind of neat. You know, just 4 bolts. I didn't really need to move anything, but you know, the front end of this truck is pretty low optioned, so it bolts up right to the frame. That's pretty cool. So check this tool out. It's a wire and you thread it on. It's loose now. I probably didn't use it right, but then you just, since it's hard to reach, you put this through the hole and you pull the bolt through the hole. How cool is that? I'll show you how it's used. All right, so this is the access. This is through the frame. You know, it's a boxed frame, so there's, you know, no more access to it, and you got to get this bolt right here in. So what we're gonna do, or what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna put the spring side through the hole and hopefully lead it out. Let's see if I get a good picture. There you can see it. I'll grab the end and we can attach the bolt to it. Alright, so now we're gonna thread the screw on, or the bolt. And it's pretty cool because when you pull on it, it kind of tightens its grip on the bolt. So hopefully this works well. I mean, I did it on the other side already, so I was impressed. I'll give the manufacturer its props. I kind of like this method. The tool only has limited uses, you know, like limited cycles before it's, you know, stretched out. There you can see the tip. Hopefully I can get the rest of it. See, I'm kind of deforming it, but there you go. I got it through. So there's the bolt. There's the washer. Front one, let's see if I can get that with my hand. I may not be able to. There's the front one. Put the lock washer on it. Where'd it go? And the nut. Okay, now the other side. And hopefully I'll be able to put like a motorcycle carry on the front when I'm hauling, pulling the trailer. And it probably reinforces, you know, the front end a little bit over the bumper. There you go. Or I can put a little steps, like one of those hitch steps, and I can work in the motor, or and I can open the hood and reach up there and work on the motor. I'll tighten this up. There's one over here too. There's the other one. See if the bolt's moving. No, the bolt's not moving yet. You can see right down in there. There you go. Installed. Looks pretty good. I will say this is a little bit tight for my liking, but I'll keep an eye on it and make sure it doesn't rub. Other than that, these bolts are tightened up. All right, some details on this guy, on this Draw-Tite. Got 500-pound tongue weight and 9,000-pound winch line pull. I still have decent ground clearance. It did take away a little bit, but you know, it's higher than the bottom of the differential. And it looks like it has a made in Mexico sticker. You know, MIG welds, nothing too exciting. Finish looks pretty good. So thanks for watching.